Up for auction is a gently used MBM 98M manual folder. This is for your letter and legal 8.5. I think you can go 9 inches wide, but 8.5 most likely. You're folding your letters, your 24-pound, your 20-pound, maybe up to 70-pound. I'll put the manual in the listing with the specs. This is just a friction feed, more of like a desktop office use. Manual plates, but you can close the second plate without removing it, so it's nice. You don't have to really mess with it. Went through it, everything runs. I ran a couple hundred on it, just of our regular jobs. And now this thing will close the way it's supposed to. Yeah, this thing pops out. Basically, it's a fold and open, so it really doesn't take up any space on your floor. I'm just running some 20-pound 3-hole punch white paper just to show you that it's working like it should. And my tech went through this, greased everything up, but it was minimal usage. This came out of an office, I believe, with like nothing on it. You basically just push down on the paper when you load it. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands. Jog it to the front. Your side guides lock in. And then you adjust your folds here and here. You have a nifty little chart here that shows you all the folds it could do. Z fold, letter fold, double fold, and half fold. You're not doing your right angle or anything like that. This is strictly letter folding and legal folding. And if you had anything you just need to fold over, like legal just with the tail, you can do an offset fold as long as you can make sure that you have room to let this thing feed out. Under here, you have your weighted wheel to help guide the paper down, but everything shingles and comes out very nicely. I'm gonna reset the counter. And then you can actually set how many to run. So let's say you need 50 of something folded. You set it to 50 and you hit start. Counts down as it's folding. And then it keeps running just to let the stuff come out. And as you can see, got a nice letter fold, not too tight, but you can get it tighter, obviously. A mechanical machine with electronic feed, super simple. They still sell this as new. It's basically your entry-level MBM, which is one of the better machines. You could always buy parts for this stuff. Feed tire feels good. Like I said, this came out of an office, so there was no production use. If you need to replace this feed tire, you just push on it and then pop it out. It comes off of the shaft, and then you put it right back in. At least that's how it's put. There you go. And there's also a separation tire under here, rubber, that you replace. When you replace this, you replace that. These are all good. These things run. You're not folding cover stock. You're not folding heavy stock, but any of your regular letter folds, this is great for. I could close. What should I do real quick? You want to see a Z fold or you want to see a half fold? I'm going to bring you back with a half fold. All right, so you pull the plate guide all the way down. You push this half fold plate to close in, and then you set this to C, which is your half fold. And I should be pretty close. There's a half fold. All right, questions, comments, reach out. This is small enough. I could box this. It's gonna be a heavy box, but I could box this up, wrap the plates, and since it kind of folds in on itself already, it will kind of protect itself, I believe. But this should click, and I think it just stops on it just stops on the magnet there. That's how it is supposed to be. All right. Questions, comments, reach out. There's nothing on the back side. There's no adjustments. This thing's self-adjusting. 110 power, you get your power cord, and that's pretty much it. I'll get you a service manual digitally, or I can print it out if you really need it. And that's it. Simple, easy to use. Great way to start folding in-house if you're sending stuff out. And you go from there. Here's all your folds again. And here's a close-up of the serial number, which I'll put in the listing, of course. So 1809 usually means that it's from 2019 or 2020, but these things sit, so they're not ordered and then delivered. So they could have been sitting in whatever dealer sold it till 23 and then went into service. A lot of times they give these away with bigger machines, like part of your lease or your contract. All right, I'm talking too much. Good luck, happy bidding. Questions, comments, reach out. Let me know. Love to move this before the end of the year.